What's up guys, I'm here with the Dji NEO, one of my favorite drones of all time. Done lots of flights with this thing. Check them out, this thing is pretty cool. So I did a video on the OSA Wireless microphone. Great little microphone, under $30 US, pretty good sound quality. I did a test inside the man cave here and it was pretty good. I was kind of impressed. I'm staring right at the Beast scooter, my VSET 10 Plus, baddest scooter on the planet. I'm staring right at the Beast scooter, my VSET 10 Plus, baddest scooter on the planet. All you have to do is connect it to your phone and pull out one of the microphones and you're connected. Check out the microphone. It's got a power indicator on there. Receiver in, okay. And you see, they're both green. So then I took it outside, walked around with it with the microphone on, and it was very good quality. All right, so I have the microphone on. I'm gonna go for a little walk, test this thing out. See how good it is. It's attached to my sweater. So as you guys know, you're able to record audio while flying the Neo with your phone. So all I did was connected the receiver to the phone and just hit the microphone button, and that's it. Check out this audio and video with the OSA microphone and the Dji NEO. All right, let's do it. Let's take off. Okay. That's the Neo. Lower it. You guys can see the wind is taking this thing like crazy. How does my mic sound? I got the wind muff on. Flying this thing with the phone, it's pretty slow, especially when it's windy. So how do I sound, guys? Got the OSA mic on with the Neo. Just testing out the audio. Let me do follow. Here we go. Let's go. Come on, Neo. How do I sound, guys? While I'm moving the mic on my jacket. How do I sound? And the wind is blowing pretty strong. Okay, let's do a circle. It's blowing out. The wind is killing this thing. How do I sound, guys? Extreme wind right now. Okay. Did a complete circle. Should come back to me if the wind can handle it. Yeah. I should say if it can handle the wind. All right, let's land this bad boy. All right, so what do you guys think of the audio? I don't think it was that great connected to the Neo with the Fly app at all. It sounded kind of tinny, and there was times it sounded like I was in some sort of tunnel. It'd be hard to fly this thing. Very windy and cold day in Toronto. The mic sounds a lot better on my other video when I was just walking around with it, not connected to the app, just connected to my phone. The mic is in the same position, about 6 inches from my mouth. How do I sound? So I can't really blame the microphone because it did sound good without being attached to the Neo. Even without connecting it to the microphone, it doesn't really sound that great anyway. So the audio on the Neo and the Fly app have a long way to go. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Later.